Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to our grammar practice for today. We are going to be working with our ing ending on words again, and we are going to be working with two of the three ing rules. We're going to be working with drop the final consonant and add ing, and they even gave us an example here. We go from clap to clapping. So see how clap ended in a vowel and a consonant, and so then they just doubled that P before adding ing. The other rule we're working with today is drop the E and add ing. Like in the word bounce, it ends in an E, so we just take the E off and add ing to make bouncing. So you have the flat book in your packet. You also have a page with little word cards on them. Now, I've already cut mine out. I'm going to go ahead and ask you to pause the video while you quickly cut out your cards and cut this apart as well. Remember that when we fold it, if you cut it apart first, it just makes it a little bit easier to fold. And then you can just fold it on each side. You just make sure that each side matches up to the fold line. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. So go ahead, pause your video, and get your materials ready, and I'll see you back in just a few minutes. All right, are you guys ready? Perfect. Now we have our double the final consonant and we have our drop the E. The nice thing about this is if the word ends in an E, it's most likely going to go over here, right? And then if it doesn't end in an E, it might go over here. So they've kind of done all the hard work for us. The other thing you're going to need is a glue stick. Now, you did have a glue stick in the little baggie that was on the back of your Tuesday packet. So please feel free to use that. That's why I sent it home. So you will need your glue stick so that you can glue the different words in. So let's go through some of our words. I'm just finding this first one is like. Now let's look at the word like. L-I-K. Ooh, what's that last letter? E, very good. So, is this going to go on double the final consonant? I don't think so. It's going to go on drop the E. Very good. So, we're going to use just a little bit of glue. You don't need a ton. Honestly, that's plenty. And then you're going to open up your drop the E side and go ahead and glue your word right in there. Perfect. Let's go to another word. Let's see. How about this word right here? Get. Now, do we have an E at the end of get? We don't. Very good. So we are going to double the final consonant. We're going to make two T's, and then we'll add the ing. So again, we put some glue on the back, and it doesn't have to be too much. If you can see a little bit of purple, you're good. And then we'll open up this side where it says double the final consonant, and we will just stick it right in there. We'll do a couple more. So this word is poke. P-O-K-E. Very good. So is it going to go over here? No, it's going to go over here. I could hear you guys yelling at me through the YouTube. Totally could. You guys are already on top of it. I love it. So again, a little bit of glue. Don't need a lot. It'll stick. You just got to apply a little bit of pressure. And then we just put it right back inside this little flap right there next to the word like, and hold it back up. And let's do this one. The word is skip. Does it end in an E? It doesn't. So, yeah, I can totally hear you through the YouTube. It's like you guys already know this. We're going to put it on this side. Remember, we need just a little bit of glue. And we just put it right here. underneath. You are going to go ahead and do this for the rest of the words that are on that page until you have both sides filled with words that you double the final consonant and words that you would drop the final E before adding ing. I cannot wait to see your guys' work and how well you do. Have fun, guys!